So X-bar is going on Mitch's thing at the moment. We are giving it a little bit more of a stealth look. Isn't that right, Ryan?
We are blending it in.
So rather than those be bright red, we have got them powder coated in a nice black finish. So we're not going to stand out so much. They're still there. They're just not so obvious. That's all. Plus it'll match our black on sandy theme, as you can see. So that's what's happening right now. We have done the pre-wire, haven't we, Ryan? So our harness is in already. 7-pin plug, ready to go. So let's get back to fitting nuts and bolts and stuff and get it done.
Can you stop being a bastard?
We're just about to put the, what do you call this thing? Tub. We're just about to put this tub onto the sandy. So we're going to lift it up with our 100% certified lifting device, and we're going to put it on the back of this car. Should be good. We're going to hit it up. It's going to be sweet. Stop talking. I'm trying to film here.
Yeah. Get out my way. I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way. I need space. I'm about to take off. Get out my way. Yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way. It's too easy. It's a layup. Give me my space. I'm in my pride. I was a prisoner, all of the mine. Now I'm a traveler leading the line. They wanna cut me, I'm bleeding divine. Home of the greed, land of the slaves. No, we ain't free, still we do great. No, we ain't free, still we do great. Yeah, still we do great. I gotta say it and say it and say it again. Me and the devil ain't making amends. I've been a rebel since Lego and friends. I gotta make it and spin. I set the trend, king of the fall. Home of the winter, by spring I'll be gone. I don't be putting it all on the ground, so they never know what the hell I'll be on my way. I need space to get the fake.
So steps and bar are on, well, going on, and then we've got to do side rails to meet up with the bull bar, and then we are sweet to go with our bar work. So we're just doing that now, getting everything square up, to square up, and then we'll be sweet. We're just doing all our additions up front, lights, winch, UHF, air antenna, all that kind of stuff's got to go on. So we're getting that done as well.
I was just a little bitty boy with hopes and dreams. Then those hopes they manifested to nobody dope as me. Hoop dreams, rap wars, it's pop culture, that's gorgeous. Skywalker, that force is quite strong that I'm born with. Fuck a goofy cornball clout chaser claiming rap. You the reason why I left. I got bored, I'll take it back. Y'all asleep, you taking naps while I'm busy taking names. Ho, lyrical assassin, cock it back, I'm taking aim. Got my way. I need space to get the fake car. Get out my way, I need space, I'm about to take off. Get out my way, yeah, the frequency been way up, way up. Get out my way, it's too easy, it's a layup.
So the winches come with the rope on them, but they're obviously not pre-tensioned. So what we need to do is pull all the feed out, load it up, and then pre-run the winch on so she's basically ready to rock and roll when our customers pick them up. So that's what we're doing right now. It's pretty much first time this thing has actually come out of the shed, so after this is done I am probably going to take this thing for a road test to make sure that our coil setup is all sweet, and after I do that then I'm probably going to get her booked in tomorrow for a wheel alignment to make sure we're all sweet and ready for delivery tomorrow. So pretty stoked though, look at this thing. Freaking beast.
Get on my way. I need space to get the